Okay, so we'll be replacing the string with another string today, and let's see how to do it. Very easy. So this is the first basic program of TSA we'll be starting. So basically I have made an HTML. I'll go live with it. Okay, so this is the string replace where nothing is there right now. So we'll write a p tag and put the updated string is, and we want something to be in front of its span. That is the output we want. We'll give it an id updated string. Okay, so after this we'll be writing a script here, script which will have an src of replace.js. Then we'll save this. We'll see if there are changes. Yeah, there are changes. So after replace.js we'll go to, after replace.js we'll put two const. First const, that is constant str, that is the string, equal to, I put it hello. In the next constant I'll provide constant replace, where I'll be replacing the string as my name is Harsh. Okay, and after this we'll be writing a code that is const updated equal to const updated equal to str dot replace what, replace, we have to replace str and replace. Okay, so after this we'll have to write document dot get element by id. What is the id? Let's see in the HTML. What is updated string? Updated string dot text, inner text basically, equal to updated, and it's set, I guess. And see, here is your string. My name is Harsh. Basically the string is getting updated after the span thing. So that's how it works.